Hey everybody, I wanted to update you. This just got out of being resined overnight. It's 24-inch diameter. It's a wooden circle. I love it. It's perfect. And these two little guys are 12-inch. They're wooden circles too. And there's my circle Lazy Susan. And then these two I just washed today, so they are next to be resined. And now I'm going to take you over here and hopefully not disconnect you as I put you in the tripod. There we go. So my lofty dream it's a snow day today. So as I'm just home today, I'm like, I really want to have an art show that is just circles, but I don't know how to go about doing so. I need to find a place, because I have an art show next year, but that's like a long time away. All right, so I am taking this color idea from Acrylic Pouring Basic Facebook page and Elvira, who does beautiful pours and gorgeous photography of them. I'm always in awe of her pieces, and I just love every time she posts one. They're just wonderful. So she did a beauty on a round pour, and she said she used phthalo green, dark yellow, a mid-tone blue that she mixed, orange and white. So I'm gonna do that, but with a little twist. I've got metallic orange and metallic phthalo green, deep yellow. I'm not sure how dark her yellow was, but I've got deep yellow. And then this, my blue that I'm gonna use is Grumbacher Cerulean blue hue. I put treadmill silicone in the green. Otherwise the colors are, and the white are all mixed with Floetrol and water. This is one of those wooden discs, oh my gosh, the edge glued rounds is what they're called. And this is a 12-inch one. Yeah, if I can't get a show, I keep thinking I need a big wall in my house and cover the entire wall in circles. I may have developed a slight obsession. I was actually going to look that up today. Like, I mean, because circles, you know, circle of life, circle represents life. Eggs are round, you know, I mean, it just, if you like actually go into it, it can, but I don't know what my recent obsession with circles is, but I love them. And I like working on these boards because they're thick. They really have substance to them. So once they're resined, they really feel substantial. I mean, they, you know, they've got a nice heft to them. Yeah, I learned that. I have in my basement, I've got sliding closet doors, but they're just cheap hollow doors. And I have a nail on one, and I use that door to like see how paintings are hanging, if they need adjustments or whatever. So I went to I'm pouring white right now, which is why I said that. I went to hang the big one up there, and the nail fell out. So I will need a stronger nail and a solid wall, or like a screw and oh my god, I am totally blanking, the plastic thingy. Yeah, you know what I'm talking about. Okay, so this is tiny, so I'm just going to use a tiny 1-ounce cup. I'm going to pour some, well, no, wait, I'm going to do this first. It's just going to be little amount. This might even be too much. Some weight. Oh, I need, oh, here's my torch. Oh, jeez, my torch needs some work. I've used it so much with painted fingers that the self-starter is just totally covered. It is a come on, little bugger. I know you're there. Okay. At least this is little. I shouldn't slam my wrist down on it. I didn't end up being black and blue, but it does have a bruise. I don't like, well, it feels bruisey. I mean, it doesn't look good. Oh, I wish I had more yellow. But as it's sitting there, what I am going to do, cover that so I don't have so much to clean. Now I'm going to add a little bit of orange to this because I'm going to refill it with white to fill in some areas. Oh my goodness, this whole area is bald right here. It's real hard to tilt if you leave those bald spots. Just kind of giving it a help. It occurs to me as I am pouring this that my white, I mixed up my white paint last night, and I was like doing some cleaning down here and doing a bunch of stuff and mixed up my white, and now that I'm pouring, I remember I had run out of water, and instead of going upstairs to get more water, I was like, oh, I'll just, you know, when I pour tomorrow, I'll just do it then. I obviously forgot about that. So it's not too thick, and actually it will make whatever I'm pouring stay better on here. You know, it holds its shape better. But it does make, it makes tilting much more deliberate, I'll tell you that much. Oh, goodness. This is not anywhere as pretty as hers was, but it is pretty. I think she used more color. Just bringing it up, tilting it back, because all this white stuff, this negative space, I want some color in there. I'll definitely have to thin out the white, but I did remember, because the water, oftentimes the water I'm drinking I'll just add in if I need a water, and that's all I've got down here. But the water I'm drinking today has lemon juice in it, so I do remember, I was like, I have to remember that I can't use my water for anything today. I am just touching up the sides that have no paint. Which is a lot of it. More too. So if you notice, I keep reusing the flip cup as my cup to refill the white. So there's always little bit of color that will stay in there. And I want to get that all onto here. Okay, I'm going to take my gloves off. I really like this. It is. Yeah, I'm going to try and chip away this big piece of paint that is blocking me from turning my torch on. So the torching was cool because it's bringing up all these colors, all these little cells all over. So I will zoom you in. And there's that. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe and I will catch you next time. Bye.